Alright guys, welcome back to my workshop. So this is going to be the second video in the series where I'm taking a look at Evolution's new range of 18-volt tools. In the last video I looked at the r11vac sliding miter saw, so if you haven't seen that video, go and check that one out. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at their new 18-volt wet and dry vac. As with all my tool reviews, or it's not really a tool review, it's more of an unboxing and first impressions, I'm going to show you what comes in the box and then give you a close look at the machine itself and go through all the specs. This is the tool only. You can buy it in a bundle form, which includes a battery and charger. This is the tool only, so it comes with the vacuum unit itself and that's it. So without further ado, let's open the box and see what we get. Nice and easy. Vacuum. Instructions. Right, so the actual unit itself is made from heavy duty plastic. I can already see that all the attachments, like your crevice tool, have all got their own little storage places on the unit itself, which is what I really like. So the crevice tool just fits neatly into the handle. On this side you've got the brush attachment, which just clips onto the actual unit itself. Now at the front you'll see this is where you keep your floor tool, and I really like the fact that it all stores nicely on the unit, so you're not going to lose anything. Nice big chunky on-off switch. Your dust hose, when using it as a vac, goes in this port, and if you want to use it as a blower you put it in this port. That's where your battery is fitted on. So let's open it up and see what you get inside. So to open it up, just release the catches and lift the top section off. You can see it's already fitted with the dry filter. Now if you want to use it for liquids, swap the dry filter out for the wet filter. The only other thing in the actual hoover is the dust hose, and I've got to say, on first impressions, it actually looks like a fairly good quality hose. Very flexible. Doesn't seem like soft flimsy plastic. It is really short. Does obviously stretch quite a bit, but it's still not overly long. But because this is a cordless vac and you're not tethered with a power cable, it's not going to be a problem. And then on this end, where it attaches to the extraction unit itself, you've just got this little clip. So swapping the filters is really easy. On the bottom of the dry filter you've got this little cap, and it's got arrows on it for locking and unlocking. So you just turn it one way, take it out, and this should just slide off. Then if you're using it for liquids, you just put the foam filter over the top. Nice and straightforward. Obviously I'm going to be using it for sawdust and that, so I'm not going to need that one, but you never know. So I'm going to put the dry filter back on, put the cap on, twist it, and that's locked in place. And then you just it back on, do the catches up. So to attach the hose, really simple, push it in and that just clips it in place, and then to remove it just press the little clip and it's as simple as that. So all the attachments simply just push on the end and they're not going to fall off. All nice and secure. So obviously this will fit on most of the Evolution power tools with the supplied adapter. This is what came with the miter saw. Put that into the saw and then the hose just pushes snugly onto that. Right, so let's attach the battery and see what it sounds like. Right, so I've set up the decibel meter and I'm just going to see just how loud the vacuum actually is. Now the phone is a little over a meter away, so let's see how loud it is. So about 83 decibels, so it's not the loudest tool in the workshop. Right, so let's just go through the specifications of the unit. Charging voltage is 220 to 240 volts. Battery voltage is 18 volts DC. Tank capacity is 11 litres. Hose flexible length is 1.8 meters. Net weight is 3.35 kilograms. And the airflow is 45 CFM. So like I've said, I'm going to be using it mainly for dust. So give it a quick test. So like I've already said, it's not got the most powerful of suction, but it's not really designed for large tools and machinery. You could use it with like hand tools, and the fact it's cordless means you can cart it about and you're not tethered by a power cord. And for jobs like that, it's going to be more than capable. I'm going to be using mine with my miter saw, so it's permanently going to be hooked up to that. And for that, it's going to be absolutely perfect. And the other good thing about this, if you've got like longer hair and your hairdryer breaks, well, you can use this to dry your hair with. Right guys, well that just about sums that one up. Overall, what do I think of it? Well, it definitely sucks and it blows. And I don't mean that in a negative way. I mean it sucks because, well, that's what dust extractors are meant to do. And it blows because it can also be used as a blower. But yeah, all joking aside, I actually like it. Obviously the suction rate isn't brilliant, but it's not really designed to be used with large machinery and things like that. It's more of a small hand tool type extractor, and the fact that it's cordless means you can take it out on a belt. It's relatively light at less than 4 kilograms, and it's got enough power for light work. So all in all, if you want a cordless dust extractor, then this could be a viable option, but obviously do your own research. Right guys, so that's 2 videos out of 4 done. The next video I'm going to be doing is for the 165mm 18 volt circular saw, so look out for that. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, tap the little bell icon, and you'll be notified when I upload my next video. So until the next video, stay safe, and you'll see me in the next one. Cheers for watching guys.